So now here 7.3 में triangle ABC, triangle DBC are on the isosceles triangles on the same base. So but here you people may get confused that sir isosceles triangle is given to you. So but isosceles triangle whenever it is given, which two sides are equal, here it is not given. Can you say which two sides are equal here? Triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle with the base BC. Can anyone say that?
So AB and AC are equal.
AB and AC are equal, and DBC isosceles triangle and the base BC given. Na base BC whenever it is given to that, other than that remaining two sides are equal. DB and DC are equal in DBC triangle. So now here, and the vertices A and D are joined on the same base BC and extended this one. AD is extended. AD is extended to intersect the BC at P. Now the question is asking to you to prove ADB is congruent to ACD. ADB. Imagine the triangle here. I'm going to draw this one. क्रॉस हो गया ना? Okay. P. This is a figure given and asking to you to prove. What is asking to you to prove here? It is asking to you to prove triangle ABD, triangle ACD congruent, triangle ABP, triangle ACP congruent, AB bisects angle A. AP bisects angle A means angles are also equal. You need to prove automatically whenever you prove that triangles are congruent by the corresponding parts property, you can say the AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. So these are the things four things you need to prove here. So now what here? The first thing is triangle ABD and ACD are congruent. You need to prove. So for that purpose, here it is given. What is given? First you write. Given
AB is equal to AC.
AB is equals to AC.
AD
and
is equal to AD.
DB is equals to DC. Isn't it? DB is equals to DC. DC is not appearing to you now.
Sir,
थोड़ा
equals
लेट आ
to
रहा है ना?
DC.
DB is equal to DC नहीं होगा?
हाँ.
Because isosceles triangle. Both are isosceles triangle on the same basis
Oh,
given to you.
the upper lower part. Okay, okay, I understood.
This triangle is also
Yes,
given
yes, sir.
isosceles triangle. ADB also given to you isosceles triangle. So when ADB is given to you isosceles triangle,
Yes, yes.
then you can say that ADB is equals to DC also. So now first part to prove. What is the first part? Triangle ADB and triangle ACD. These two triangles congruent prove करना है. In this triangle AD is equals to, in this triangle actually ACD नहीं.
B
It
is
is
equals to AD
ABD.
only, sir.
Triangle ABD.
Sir, ABD and ACD होगा sir triangle.
A
Sir, triangle
BD
ABD,
and
not
ACD.
ADB.
C. Okay, that's okay. But whenever I write the triangle name, I can write in any way. It's not wrong. But whenever you write congruencies, did you get my ADB? Whenever I write ADC should be written here actually. But individually, whenever you write the triangle, you can write in any way. But to avoid the confusion, better you write in both in a same way. Did you get my point here? So here,
Yes, sir.
individually, when to avoid the confusion, you can write. Actually, in the question, it is asking you ABD, okay, and ACD. Question में क्या पूछ रहे हैं here? ABD and ACD पूछ रहे हैं. So we will take that ABD and ACD only. Instead of to avoid the confusion, let us take The triangle name also we will name it A, B, D and triangle A, C, D. Here if you name in any way doesn't matter. But when you use the congruency symbol, you have to write in a proper way. So in this AB will be is equals to in this AC, and in this BD is equals to CD. Both are given only. This is given, this is also given, and in this AD, this is also equal to AD. So this is
Common.
common. So by S criterion, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Isn't it? Now what is asking to you to prove?
Yes, sir.
ABP. Next thing is asking to you, ABP is congruent to this one, ABP, ACP. So here what can you do? Already whenever you...
Sir, we can take A, B. Sir,
uh,
sir, angles सर equal होगा ना क्योंकि opposite sides of isosceles triangle are equal.
from here, no, isosceles triangle concept, yes, that also you can use. But whenever you use that isosceles triangles concept, you can say that you are thinking that angle B equal to angle C hoga, and this side equal to this side hoga. This side is common, but you are not having SAS congruency here. So for that purpose, instead of using these two angles, angle B and angle C equal, you use this angle is equal to this angle. How can you say? From this first result, from the first
By
result,
CPCT, sir.
by the CPCT, you can write that angle BAP is equal to angle CAP. This result whenever you take it. So second result, what you can prove here in the second part, in triangle ABP, and triangle ACP, triangle ABP and triangle ACP. Isn't it? That two triangles only, na? ABP, ACP. So in this, AB is equals to AC. This is also given, and AP is equals to AP. This is common. The result is common. And what you can write again? BAP. BAP is equal to CAP. Angle BAP is equals to angle CAP by CP CT of first part. Because we have proved already these two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles? ABD and ACD triangles. Two triangles we have proved in this array. I have shifted to the next previous page. Here see. Here it is shown to you already ABD and ACD as congruent. Then from that CPCT you can say that BAD is equal to angle CAD, or BAD is equal to CAD, you can say BAP is equal to CAP also you can say. Both are same only, na? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now here by which congruency here you can use? By S criterion, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now what we have to prove? Next thing we have to prove that in the triangle here AP bisect angle A as well as D. AP bisects angle A. एंगल ए बाइसेक्ट करते बोल के ऑलरेडी प्रूव कर दिया हम लोग. हाउ? एंगल BAP इक्वल टू एंगल CAP बोला है ना. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Angle BAP is equal to angle CAP whenever we said. From that you can say that by the CPCT, angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. So therefore you can say that AP bisects angle A. AP bisects angle A. It is okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So angle D कैसे prove करते? How do you prove that it bisects angle D? How do you prove that it bisects angle D? Bisect angle D bro ले तो what you have to prove? BDP is equal
Sir,
to
first to
CDP.
yes, sir.
BDP is equal to CDP prove करना है. BDP is equal to CDP. How do you prove?
Sir, by the isosceles means by the second proof only.
By the
Second one.
second one how do you prove? No, second one हम लोग क्या prove कर दिया? ABP ACP congruent prove कर दिया. Second result में ABP ACP in the second
Sir,
result.
from 1 and 2 both.
1 and 2 both कैसे है?
Sir, because पहले में हमने प्रूव किया कि ट्रायंगल ABP is congruent to triangle ACD, तो BD equal to CD आ जाएगा वहां से. एंड देन हमने प्रूव किया कि ट्रायंगल ABP is congruent to triangle ACP, तो BP equal to CP आ जाएगा एंड DP कॉमन है.
DP common है. Okay. Whatever you should correct, right? BP is equal to CP आ जाएगा हमको. From where BP is equal to CP? Second result. Simple. BP is equal to CP आ जाएगा. From this. From the second result we will get BP is equal to CP. But directly you cannot write. After writing BP is equal to CP, these two are equal and this is common. Then you can prove that triangle BDP, triangle CDP are congruent. Then you can say that by the CPCT these two angles are equal.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So whenever you are saying BP is equal to CP, that is nothing but P bisect BC. P is bisecting BC है ना?
Yes, sir. Because BP is equal to CP. Yes, sir.
And fourth result क्या है? AP is a perpendicular bisector बोल रहे हैं. Perpendicular prove करने के लिए what you have to do? BP is equal to CP है prove कर दिया, पर bisector हो गया वो. Perpendicular भी prove करना है तो ये दोनों 90 डिग्री होगा. दोनों इक्वल प्रूव करना है. So for that purpose problem is already all interlinked है here. Here everything is there but it is interlinked. So here I'm going to draw the figure again to you because there may be a confusion to you. Going back and coming here a little bit difficult to do. A, B, C, D and this is P. So third result में we have to prove that AP bisects angle D. So for that purpose you take the triangle in triangle BDP and triangle CDP. BD is equal to BD is equal to CD. Why? It is given. BD is equal to CD given. Next, DP is equals to DP. This is common. And we will get BP is equals to CP. This is CPCT of triangle ABP congruent to triangle बोलो
ACP.
ACP. ACP. So by SSS, triangle BDP is congruent to triangle CDP. So from this CPCT, by the CPCT, you can say that angle BDP is equal to angle CDP. This implies that AP bisects angle D. We proved the AP bisects angle D. Okay. The fourth result what? Perpendicular bisector prove करना है. AP is a perpendicular. Bisector prove कर लिया with the help of ABP is equal to CP. With the help of BP is equal to CP, we proved already bisector, but perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector is nothing but 90 degrees भी है. ये 90 भी वो प्रूव करना है. इस तरफ 90 है प्रूव करना है. So for that purpose, what you already proved here, BDP and CDP are congruent. BDP, CDP congruent prove कर लिया. So from that what you can get? BPD angle, CPD angle equal. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
BPD, C angle BPD is equals to angle CPD by CPCT of this congruency. Okay, you can write here the
Yes.
reason is this reason. Now both are equal angles and their sum will be equal to 180 degrees because straight angle. So what do you have to write? Angle BPD, angle CPD. Angle BPD plus angle CPD is equals to 180 degrees and both are equal. वो both equal x मान लो. So from this what you can get? 2 times of angle BPD is equals to 180 you will get. So from this angle BPD is equals to 90 degrees you are going to. So this is nothing but angle CPD also 90 degrees. Both are 90 degrees. Therefore you can say that and BP is equal to CP prove कर दिया. Therefore from this you can say that AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. It is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular is nothing but 90 degrees. वो prove कर दिया है. And bisector is nothing but both are equal parts. That also we have proved it. So that is only asking you to prove here. Isn't it? Now the second question, see here. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So what is the second question given? AD is an altitude. Altitude बोले तो क्या है? What is the definition of altitude? Can anyone say the exact definition of altitude? हाइट बोला है, पहले पूछ लिया मैंने ये. तो some of you said that it is height, sir. But
Sir,
I said
a perpendicular line drawn from a vertex to its opposite side is called altitude.
very good. This I have written on the board. Do you remember? This definition I wrote on the board previously whenever I told this one. Exactly I wrote on the board. So now here what is the question? AD is an altitude of isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. Show that AD bisect BC. BC को bisect करेगा. and AD bisects angle A. It is very simple proof. Just orally I will explain. Orally is nothing but through this I'm going to show it to you. फिगर की थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, पूरा नहीं बताता. ABC ट्रायंगल में AB इक्वल टू AC दे दिया है, and AD is an altitude. Altitude is nothing but here it is given 90 degrees. Given, it is given 90 degrees. Altitude is nothing but only 90 degrees. It is not given 90 degrees both side होगा. AD is an altitude is nothing but, suppose मैं एक altitude में इधर लिखता हूँ, suppose this is not an isosceles triangle, but A to BC को altitude बोले तो क्या होगा, इधर से ऐसा होगा. This is an altitude. I have shown to you. Now you got it. See, altitude I have drawn 90 degrees. Suppose altitude if you want to draw for an obtuse angle triangle like this, one triangle is taken into consider, ABC. You are going to get, इसको extend कर लो BC को, and from A you drop the perpendicular. This AD becomes an altitude in this case. Okay. Now let us move to the other problem. What is given here? ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equals to AC and AD is an altitude. AD is an altitude. Okay. So what do you get here from this? What is required to prove? AD bisects BC. So this equal to this you have to prove. Isn't it? AD bisects and this equal to this you have. Simple, the two triangles ABD and ACD congruent to prove करना है. वैसे ही congruent है by RHS congruency. Right angle triangle से both hypotenuse equal है, one common side AD है, so that they are equal. When the two triangles are congruent, then you can say that BD is equal to CD by the CPCT and this angle equal to this angle. Very simple problem. I am not going to explain to you more for that problem. Isn't it? You can do it. Now this is the third question. Question number 3. Is the question number 3 visible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is given here? Two sides AB, BC and median AM. Two sides AB, BC and median AM. Median बोले तो क्या है? Can anyone say that what is mean by median? Can anyone say what is mean by median?
Sir, when a line is drawn from the midpoint of a triangle from one side to the other side.
मृगांका दोबारा बोलो. Once again you say. Wait. Let him say. मृगांका को say बोलने दो.
Sir, when one line is drawn from the midpoint of a line to any angle of a triangle is known as a median.
Line drawn from the midpoint of the side of the triangle to the any angle. Angle बोले तो angle गलत होता है. Angle को line draw करना थोड़ा सा सही नहीं है. Terminology. Your intention is right, but you are not able to express it in a proper way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मैथमेटिक्स बोले तो वो सिर्फ वो नहीं है, बिकॉज यू शुड बी रेडी टू एक्सप्रेस इट इन ए प्रॉपर वे. वो भी चाहिए आपको. ओके. अदर एनीवन? कविता. Anyone, not only Kavita. A line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. Simple. Median बोले तो, altitude बोले तो क्या है? These are the lines we call concurrent lines in a triangle. What do we call? We call them as a concurrent lines in triangle. Concurrency is nothing but, which lines are called concurrent lines? Can anyone say? Concurrent lines. This. ये वर्ड सुना है? हाँ? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello? हाँ, ओके. कॉन्करेंट लाइंस कभी सुना है? ये ज्योमेट्री में बेसिक 6th क्लास में सुनते हैं, ये 6th 7th में, अभी 9th क्लास तक आ गया. कॉन्करेंट लाइंस बोले तो यू आर नॉट सीइंग. इफ अ more than 2 lines passing through the same point, all these lines are called concurrent lines. This is concurrent. More than, if 2 lines are passing through the one point, they are called as intersecting lines. 2 lines are passing through the one point, then they are called as intersecting lines. If more than 2 lines are passing through the same point, then we call that lines are concurrent lines. Now these altitude बोला है ना पहले, altitude. In a triangle, altitudes are concurrent lines. Suppose if you take into consider, a triangle is taken like this, one altitude drawn, another altitude like this 90 degrees wala, another altitude like this. These three will intersect at one point. Like that, median hota hai. This is another concept because this is not at all given in your textbooks. Even 6th to 10th class you देखो, ये concurrent lines होता है ना, ये point होता है ना, this point is called as point of concurrence of altitudes. Altitudes all together एक point में मिल रहे, so that point is called as orthocenter. Point को बोलते हैं, what do we call? It is called as orthocenter. Altitude orthocenter बोलते हैं. Okay, like that median बोले तो, suppose if you take into consider any triangle, if you are taking into consider, ये point से इसका mid point को line draw करना है, this is called median. And from this vertex you draw the to the midpoint of the opposite side, it is called one median. And another median is this one. Like this, 3 medians will compulsory intersect at one point. And ये तीनों medians हैं. Medians किधर किधर intersect होता है, उस point को point बोल रहा हूं मैं, point को centroid बोलना है. As the situation come, I am explaining this. These things are not at all given in anywhere else in your textbooks from the 6th to 10th class whenever you see that. But these things to be, do you know these points? Median is given, altitude is given. Median बोले तो क्या है? Median का exact definition क्या है? What's the exact definition of the median? Median का a line, perpendicular line drawn from vertex to the midpoint of opposite side is called median. It is called as median. Okay, समझ में आया मीडियन डेफिनेशन? और तीनों मीडियंस एक जगह में मिलते हैं ट्रायंगल में, एंड उस पॉइंट को सेंट्रॉइड बोलते हैं. Okay, so now the question is given on the median. Here see, two sides AB, AC. Two sides AB, AC and median AM of a triangle ABC are respectively equal to the PQ, PR and median PN of the triangle PQR. Then show that ABM, PQN. ABM PQN. How they are congruent? Can you say? I'm going to draw that. Question number 3 है ना? Yes, question number 3. So what is given here? Triangle ABC में AB and triangle PQR दे दिया है. These two triangles में what is given here? Two sides AB BC and AM. So AB BC and median AM. So AB BC AM and PQ QR PN, isn't it? PQ QR. So what is given here are equal respectively दे दिया है. They are equal respectively. AB BC and AM PQ QR PN are equal respectively. Respectively बोलो तो AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, AM is equal to PN. And after giving this one, the question is asking you to prove ABM triangle and APQN triangle are congruent. So whenever it is given to you, AM is the median. AM median given, what is given? AM is median. Median बोले तो क्या है? M is a midpoint बोला था. M is midpoint of BC. So that is nothing but BM is equals to MC, which is equals to BC में half. दोनों BC में half होता है. BM is equals to MC is equals to BC by 2. And also given that N is a midpoint. N is midpoint of QR. That is nothing but QN is equals to NR is equals to QR by 2. But it is given that BC is and QR are equal दे दिया है ना. When these two are equal, you can say that BC by 2 is also equal to QR by 2 na. BC equal to QR दे दिया ना. Is it given?
Yes, sir.
So BC by 2 equal to QR by 2 होगा. So BC by 2 equal to QR by 2 implies BC by 2 can be written as BC by 2 from here. BM लिख सकते हैं. So that is nothing but BM is equals to QR by 2 बोले तो QN लिख सकते हैं. So this one ले लो इसको. Now here it is given AB is equal to PQ दे दिया, AM is equal to PN दे दिया. We proved BM is equal to QN. By SSS congruency, you can say that the two triangles are congruent. When the two triangles are congruent, this angle equal to this angle बोल सकते हैं. ABM equal to PQR बोल सकते हैं. Can you say by the CPCT?
Yes, sir.
Then when you say these two angles are equal, and in the triangle ABC and PQR, whenever you take into consider, triangle ABC and PQR, whenever you take into consider, there AB equal to PQ होगा, BC equal to QR होगा. These two angles are equal. By SAS congruency, the two triangles are also congruent. हो गया ना? मृगांका?
सर मुझे ना सर लास्ट में समझ में नहीं आया सर, आपने क्या बोला वॉइस के कारण।
नहीं नहीं, एक्चुअली क्या है ना, व्हाट टू प्रूव, सी हियर, these things can be understandable whenever you see the questions. See here, geometry में क्या होता है ना, before teacher explanation you need to go through the questions. इसके लिए मैं questions भी आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। ये questions आप लोग पहले पढ़ के रेडी होना है। What is asking to you to prove that you need to know? इसमें क्या पूछ रहे हैं? ABC PQR triangles ABM PQN we have proved. ABM PQN are proved by SSS congruency. From that angle B equal to angle Q आ जाएगा, isn't it? Angle B is equal to angle Q आने के बाद you can say that triangle ABC, triangle PQR are congruent. By what congruency? SEIS. Because AB equal to PQ हो गया, BC equal to QR हो गया, already given, and ABM equal to PQN. We have proved it. CPCT. फर्स्ट रिजल्ट का CPCT की अकॉर्डिंग एंगल ABM इक्वल टू एंगल PQN होगा, एंगल ABM इक्वल टू एंगल PQN होगा. Then you can say that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so like that only you try the fourth and fifth problems. If you are not able to get it, we'll discuss about it in the next class, tomorrow's class. समझ में आया? ये तो कर सकते हैं ना थर्ड वन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so still if you are having any doubt, fourth and fifth, I request you to do one thing here before the class. What is questions are given to you, that questions better you read the questions thoroughly so that easily you can understand. Okay, and keep the textbook whenever I am saying to you. हर बार मैं